What if I told you there's a natural supplement that some people swear by for depression? So much so that it's even prescribed like an antidepressant in some countries. Meet St. John's Wort, nature's answer to low mood, stress, and even mild depression. But can it actually replace traditional antidepressants? Is it as effective as SSRIs like Prozac or Zoloft? And more importantly, is it safe? Today, we're diving into the science, the pros, the cons, and the potential dangers of using St. John's wort instead of prescription antidepressants. By the end of this video, you'll know how St. John's wort works in the brain, how it compares to prescription antidepressants, who should and shouldn't take it, potential side effects and dangerous interactions, and whether it's right for you. And trust me, there's one major reason you should think twice before taking St. John's wort, especially if you're on any other medications. So let's break it all down. Before we compare it to antidepressants, let's talk about what St. John's wort actually is. St. John's wort is a yellow flowered herb that has been used for centuries to treat mood disorders. In fact, in Germany, it's often prescribed for mild to moderate depression, just like an SSRI. How does it work? Well, St. John's wort is believed to increase the levels of serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine in the brain, just like prescription antidepressants do. Sounds great, right? But here's where things get interesting. Unlike SSRIs, which target serotonin specifically, St. John's wort affects multiple neurotransmitters at once. This might explain why some people feel a mood boost, but it also makes the effects less predictable compared to pharmaceutical antidepressants. Okay, so does St. John's wort actually work? Let's look at the research. Several studies have compared St. John's wort to SSRIs like fluoxetine or Prozac, sertraline or Zoloft, and paroxetine or Paxil. And here's what we know. For mild to moderate depression, studies suggest that St. John's wort is just as effective as prescription SSRIs for some people. But for severe depression, the research shows it's not as effective as traditional antidepressants. The bottom line, if you have mild depressive symptoms, St. John's wort might help. But if you struggle with major depression, suicidal thoughts, or severe mood disorders, it's not the best choice compared to prescription options. But now let's talk about why St. John's wort might not be as safe as it seems. Here's where things get tricky. St. John's wort may be natural, but natural doesn't always mean safe. St. John's wort interacts with a long list of medication. Some of these include antidepressants. It causes a risk of serotonin syndrome, which can be fatal. Birth control pills. It can make them less effective. Yep, really. Blood thinners like warfarin. It can increase the risk of clots or bleeding. Heart medications. It can cause irregular heartbeats. And immunosuppressants. It can reduce the effectiveness of organ transplant drugs. Mixing St. John's wort with some meds is like playing Russian roulette with your health. It can also increase sun sensitivity. It can make your skin extra sensitive to sunlight, leading to sunburns. And it can cause mood swings and restlessness. Some people report increased anxiety, agitation, or even manic episodes, especially if they have bipolar disorder. And like a lot of herbal supplements, it can cause upset stomach and fatigue. Always check with your pharmacist before taking St. John's wort if you're on any other medication. All right, let's say you're interested in trying St. John's wort. Should you? Who might benefit? Well, those who have mild to moderate depression and aren't taking other medications, those who prefer natural remedies and understand the risks, those who have a doctor or pharmacist who approves and monitors them. Who should avoid it? If you have severe depression or suicidal thoughts, seek medical help. If you're already taking an antidepressant or any medication with interactions, if you have bipolar disorder, as this can trigger mania, or if you're pregnant or breastfeeding. If you're dealing with depression, don't try to go it alone. Talk to your doctor about the best option for you. So, can St. John's wort replace antidepressants? The answer is it depends. For mild depression, maybe. It might work as well as an SSRI, but only if you're not taking other medications. For severe depression, no, it's not a substitute for prescribed antidepressants. For anyone on medication, talk to your doctor or pharmacist first. The drug interactions can be serious. If you decide to try St. John's wort, make sure you're using a high quality standardized supplement. Not all brands are created equal. I've placed a link to the brand that I recommend in the description section of this video. Have you tried St. John's wort? Drop a comment below and let me know your experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Stay healthy, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video.